very exciting project a couple of weeks ago as part of our technology subjects. The kids and my husband are very interested in 3D printing, and my husband bought a rip-wrap printer from a supplier in Durban. He and the kids then put together the project during the weekend. They hope to be able to learn to design their own projects and do the printing, and maybe in future even give classes in design. What you see here was my husband using a design from Thingiverse to test out the printer and make sure it actually worked before giving the kids a chance to try it for themselves the next day. On the video it sounds very noisy, but remember the phone is very close to the printer and the sound is a bit amplified. This is a tiny printer and it takes a while to print these objects. The more intricate, the longer it takes. And there are always trial and error in the beginning, as you will see later in the video. Nearing the end of the very first project, and the finishing product was quite impressive, though small.
Open source betekent almal kry die source code en jy kan dit deel. It has become the most widely used 3D printer. Check hierso. Al die 3D printers in die wêreld, dis nou 2016, kyk hoe groot is Redplek. Sien jy?
Die tweede graad sien is MakerBot.
Yes. En MakerBot is nogal belangrik, ons sal nou vir MakerBot sien. Want we are trying to solve a problem. Yes, do you have an idea? What's your idea?
A gun.
A gun?
Yeah.
A gun? Dis al wat jy in jou kop uit, a gun is like Wat doen jy die nou weer? Okay, it's right, a gun. Most of life is about solving problems. Not all of it, but most of it. Sometimes you just want to make something because it's fun, like a gun. Fun and gun rhymes. 3D printing is great for making things that can solve a problem, like shooting your neighbor, or to make something just for the fun of it, like shooting your neighbor. In this course, we are going to do both. We'll shoot both neighbors. We will make useless stuff just for the fun of it, and we will also make stuff that is very useful. Okay, so jy moet 'n idee hê van wat jy wil doen, okay? Dink jy het 'n idee van wat jy wil doen? Poppenkleren, okay. Cool. Hierdie stukkie is so dan kom dit by design.
My daughter, she wanted to print a 20-sided dice, and they only realized after they started printing it was going to take 4 hours to print, and that was way too long to wait for a first try. Also, it started sagging and they had to abort the print. explaining to me that they have failed in their first attempt and also in their second one.
Kijk daar. Daar is die warm. Dat is zwart op dit en hij print daar. Daar print hij, is die warm. En so dit begin afkoel daar. Rondom. En daar so en die blauwe is wat dit nog afkoel het.
After my daughter's third unsuccessful attempt, my son followed suit with TJ Slime. Minecrafters will see a resemblance. Both are proud of their prints and we can't wait to see what they've got up their sleeves for their next project.